While the pandemic has left many of us housebound and in an endless cycle of sourdough bread, our next guest is here to show us how to spice things up with a little traditional Persian meal. Joining us for her very own barbecue is co-owner of the Banu Iranian Eatery and Commissary, Samira Moyadeen. Good morning to you, Samira. Great to see you.
Good morning, Ben. How are you? Aloha.
I am great. I'm very curious about this meal because you got a lot of flavor for us. I can tell just by the look of this. The first dish is a bowl that you call summer in a bowl.
Yes, the first dish is Mast-o-Khiar, so it translates to cucumber and yogurt, but we're going to add a lot more things to it than that. So I've got some yogurt here, got some chopped cucumber that I'm going to add, some scallions, some dried mint, and some damask rose.
Okay, I got to ask what damask rose is.
So these are a type of rose. They originated in Damascus, and they're what you make rose water out of. And Iran is right now one of the top producers of these roses. They're beautiful. They have a gorgeous scent and a gorgeous color. And we're just going to grind some of that in there.
I'm guessing that then infuses the entire dish.
Absolutely. And a little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm just going to mix this up. This is very similar to what more people know, tzatziki. This is kind of like tzatziki's classier cousin.
A classier cousin, okay.
You know, this is tzatziki's bougie cousin.
And do you have to put this in the fridge and let the flavors marry at all, or is it ready to go?
No, not at all. It's totally ready to go. If you want, you can put it in the fridge. I mean, it's always better cold. I'm just going to actually garnish this after with some beautiful walnuts and raisins.
Oh, so you're getting all sorts of textures in there, aren't you?
Absolutely. Textures and colors. And that's the reason I call it summer in a bowl, because you've got beautiful walnuts, you've got beautiful raisins, and the colors of pink and green, and it's just gorgeous. Then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of fresh mint. And you're going to eat that with some crusty bread.
So which you've given me. What kind of bread is this? It's some sort of flatbread.
Yes, it's what you're having is called barbari. It's a nigella seed bread.
All right, let's see.
You're going to try it? I'm going to try it. I can't see you, but...
That is fantastic. I didn't even scoop up everything, and I got all those flavors in one. Now, it seems like, I mean, it's great to try with bread, but are there any other ways to eat this dish?
Oh yeah, you just eat it with a spoon. You could totally just eat it with a spoon.
Straight up with a spoon. Okay, now.
Straight up.
Okay, so I got to be honest with you. A few weeks ago, I tried to eat 60 chicken wings on the show in 3 hours. My body couldn't get past 57, and I'm dealing with a little bit of post-traumatic stress when it comes to the idea of eating chicken wings. These don't look anything like the ones I ate then. I'm guessing they're a little bit different. So I'm absolutely willing to try. Talk to me about these chicken wings that we have here.
So you probably had chicken wings breaded. Were they breaded, the ones you had deep fried?
They were delicious.
Okay. So these are going to be grilled, and they're going to be marinated in saffron and yogurt. So what I'm going to start doing right now is making some saffron or liquid gold. This is the beautiful saffron we have.
So this is another ingredient that a little goes a long way.
Absolutely. Also because it's extremely expensive. So I'm just going to knead this down like this, and I'm going to add it to a little bit of hot water that I have here. And this is how we're going to make the liquid gold. So you're going to instantly see the color change here. I'll just shake that for you.
Oh, well,
you can
absolutely.
See how beautiful that color is. And again, I call this another summer in a bowl marinade. So I'm going to get some salt. And you're just going to salt the chicken wings, and be generous with the salt because they really suck it up. A little bit of pepper. And again, I have some yogurt. This yogurt adds a lot of texture to the marinade, and it makes it really creamy. Woo! You didn't see that, but 2 chipmunks just ran past me. So I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, onion.
I mean, these are all great flavors.
And I have juiced 4 lemons here.
Oh, really? Right on there.
Ideally, you want this to marinate overnight, but 4 to 6 hours works also.
Does the lemon juice cook the meat at all overnight? Or is it tempered?
It actually tenderizes it, which is nice. So I'm going to add that liquid gold also to that. And you just want to keep working this, and then put it in the fridge overnight, ideally. Now, I've started to cook off some of this already.
Samira, I'm going to try to eat one of these just in case we run out of a little bit of time.
You bet. I'm just going to show this. I don't know if you can get how beautiful the glaze on this is here.
That's really good.
Yeah. You're eating, I'm going to eat too. No fair.
I'm getting that lemon.
The lemon, the saffron, everything. It's gorgeous. This is another way of cooking chicken wings.
These are fantastic. These are small, these are small wings. You would expect them to maybe dry out a little bit, but they are really, really tender and juicy. Samira, thank you. Thank you so much for this.
You're so welcome.
I hope you have a wonderful summer. You've given me some great new additions to my menu for the barbecue. I appreciate your time today. Thank you.
No problem. Cheers.
And for these recipes, you can head to our website, yourmorning.ca. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to swallow, and we'll be right back.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.